156, eliminated.
Is it amazing how little baking soda changing the sugar entirely? Hello guys, welcome to JM's Kitchen Chronicles. Today we'll be making Korean sugar candies called Dalgona cookies. A spongy or a honeycomb sugar candy. This candy came back to the global scene again, thanks to Korean Netflix series called Squid Game. Let's get started! Let the game begin! Going to use a ladle, which will going to melt the sugar in it. Here's a long list of our ingredients: sugar and baking soda, a stainless press, and some cookie cutters. We need 2 tablespoons of sugar and turn the heat to medium-low. And once you start seeing sugar melting on this side, reduce the heat a little bit. Start stirring when you see the sugar melting on the side. It's important not to burn the sugar because it's gonna taste bitter and it's not gonna look pretty. When it starts to smoke, just raise a few inches above the heat because it means the heat is too strong. The sugar is now melted, so we're gonna add some baking soda. Then, just stir vigorously. Okay, this is done. Use a spatula to dump it off to a surface like wax paper. Let it cool a little bit, about 15 to 20 seconds. Then just go in and press it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then immediately stamp it with your cookie cutter. Tada! Let it cool. Okay guys, this is so much fun. So you try it at home with the help of your parent. And that's our Dalgona